Have you ever watched a fireworks display and wondered how all those colorful explosions are created? Well, it takes more than just gunpowder and sparkles. Behind the scenes, there's a complex and challenging industry that produces the equipment needed to create those beautiful pyrotechnic displays. As a leading supplier of fireworks production equipment, we understand the unique challenges faced by the industry. Compliance and safety are our top priorities. To ensure safety, our equipment must comply with strict regulations and standards. From design and manufacturing to transportation and storage, every aspect of our machinery is compliant with safety protocols. But safety isn't the only challenge. Our machinery must also meet the highest quality standards. From material selection to testing, quality assurance is a critical aspect of our production process. In addition, we are consistently striving for improvement and development in our Roman candle making machine, sparkler stick making machine, fountain fireworks making machine, aerial shell fireworks making machine, pyrotechnic equipment, and other fireworks manufacturing machinery, as new technology keeps emerging. We strive to remain ahead of the trend while maintaining a commitment to innovation. This constant drive for innovation has led to the development of new and advanced technologies that have transformed the industry. But even with all the safety, quality, and innovation, the production process remains challenging. It requires skilled workers, precise timing, and attention to detail to ensure a flawless and unforgettable fireworks display. However, despite these challenges, our machinery continues to provide efficient and reliable solutions to the industry, making us a trusted fireworks production equipment supplier. So the next time you watch a fireworks display, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication that goes into creating those magical moments, with the help of our high-quality machinery. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the hidden challenges of the fireworks production equipment industry and how our machinery can help you overcome them. Here are 3 ways to take the next step and get in touch with us at PyroEquip. Fill in the forms on our website and submit your inquiry directly to our team. Add our WhatsApp number or send us an email with your inquiries. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content. Thank you for considering PyroEquip as your trusted partner in the fireworks production equipment industry.